AMCHAIO गोनांगै साकलाइजाखा सालजानि बन सांगरं सालनि फुंनि दामबा जरानि सिमि 5 सालनि दामबा जरा रमै थांनाय सालाव BJP IPFT गोनि बदलनि केबें लायो खुमुलुंग पार्टीमुं पार्टीमानि नतै IPFT बदलनि दांफां प्रदीप देबबर्मानो रमै तलांमानि न केबें लायो सालजानि बन साकलाइखा रेवेन्यू मन्त्री NC देबबर्मानि दागि मुंबाय AGS मंगल देबबर्मा सालजानि बन साकलाइजाकमानि कक्रं नतै कक्लाम नारकथानि सिपसाका।
Thank you very much. I am Mangal Debarma, IPFT party, AGS of IPFT party and spokesperson of IPFT party. Today an urgent meeting of IPFT party and our allied organization held at the residence of Honorable NC Debarma and have decided that tomorrow on 9 July from 6 AM to 10 July 6 AM 24 hours have called a bond at the area of KHUMULWNG. KHUMULWNG area have called a bond from IPFT and our allied organization that yesterday our active worker Pradeep Debarma have arrested by police person and gave him unbailable section 436, but he is innocent. He don't know about any cases against him. Certainly at the night around 3 AM have arrested by local police and till today he is under custody of police. Regarding this protest, we from IPFT party and our allied organization call a bond for 24 hours from 9 July 6 AM to 10 July 6 AM, and some activity would be out of strike, that is ambulance car and all ambulance vehicles, fruit shop, medicine shop and all activities of COVID-19, military car, it should be out of strike, and all the offices, other cars, public shop should be completely strike at KHUMULWNG area. So we from our IPFT party wants Pradeep Debarma should release immediately without any condition, and he have to bail